How to stop TikTok zooming in on photos. First thing first, tap on your TikTok app to open it up. And once you're inside your app, what you need to do is tap on this plus icon to add a new photo on your post. Once you have done that, you can tap on the gallery icon at the bottom right corner to select a photo. And now you can select any image you want. I've already made a post on my draft, so I'm just going to head over to my drafts to show you guys. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, then tap on drafts. And here is the picture that I have just created that I want to post on my drafts. As you can see, it is zooming in the picture and I don't want that. So for that, you first need to tap on the drop down at the right side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the edit button, which is right on top. And as you can see here, I have added a music here on my post or my photo. And there is also a zoom in effect by default. So this effect is causing the picture to zoom in. So what you want to do is completely get rid of this effect. Or if you want just a quick zoom in, you can select it quickly and it will just quickly zoom in. But I don't want that at all. So I'm just going to be deleting this entire effect. Click on the delete icon right at the bottom and you should be good to go. So if I just play it, only the music will be able to play alongside my photo. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.